Hey everybody, these are the instructions for computer applications for Monday, April 27th. Let's take a look at our objectives for today. You're going to be working on 20 minutes of geometrics. So guys, this is the last week of posting assignments. Friday, May 1st is the last day that we can give you assignments. So this will be the last week of geometrics. You will have a module due by the end of the week. If you choose to do more than that, that's great. I will include those grades in your teacher ease grade. I will have a Zoom meeting. It'll probably be Wednesday this week, but just look out for the email to check in with you guys. And if you have any questions, as always, you can send me an email. And after Friday, then that's going to be the cutoff for you guys for your instructions. And then you will be getting instructions on how and when to bring in your laptop and your charger, which you guys took. So when we left for e-learning. So just be on the lookout for that from Mr. Graham or from the IT department. For the few people who are working on don't have a laptop and using your Chromebooks, you guys are going to be doing the Computer Science Express course lesson 20, Changing Variables with B. You guys have a great day.